Wait! You are here telling me you don't eat rice? Hurt my feelings a little bit. I'm from Japan. That means we eat rice religiously, right? You know that. Here in this region where I am right now, rice is not a popular food. And often I ask students, do you know how to eat rice? No, never had it before. Do you know how to cook rice, or have you tried it? And all of these things. No. And I visited a local food pantry. I heard a disturbing story that people don't know what to do with rice. So when they receive a bag of rice from food pantry, they often throw them away because they don't know what to do with it. So I'm here to show you how to cook rice. Yes, you never tried it? Try it. Do you know how to boil water? I bet you do. Well then guess what? You can cook rice. Okay? I am here to show you how to cook plain simple rice. Bam! There you go. All you're gonna do is follow the instructions in the back. Alright? There's a lot of words right there. I'm gonna break it down to you and then how simple that is, and then maybe one day you know how to make sushi. Ha! Actually, not today. I'm not making sushi because that's just like a little bit more expert down the road. Maybe a little bit down the road. Not today, all right? Today, we are going to make plain rice, all right? You saw me enough? Okay. So, if nobody told you how to cook rice, today is the day you're gonna learn how to cook rice. Stay with me. And don't forget now, I'm not, it's free to click the button and like and do all of that. Now do that, please. I will love you forever. All right, I'm gonna tell you what you need to do. All right, prep game. Right here, it says you need 1.5 cup of water, okay? And then 1 cup of rice from this bag, okay? And then optional, you need a little bit of salt. This is salt, by the way. All right, it's a salt, all right? Nothing else. Okay, that's that. Simple. But I tell you what, unlike anything else, this is when you use your inner OCD. You gotta be exact. 1 cup of rice and an exact 1.5 cup of water. Anything else after that? It's a waiting game, all right? I hate waiting game. You're gonna see me how painfully go through this journey. All right, let's get into it. I am going to zoom in. All right, first thing you're gonna do, heat it up all the way. And then 1.5 cup of water. Add salt and let it boil. See that? Now it's boiling all the way. Now you're gonna put rice. Stir it. The lid on and reduce the heat. You're gonna wait for 20 minutes. You know how to do that? Exactly 20 minutes. This is how I do it. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes. There we go, people. Now it's a waiting game. Okay, that was a long 20 minutes. Anyways, open the lid and check it out and see if we burnt the rice or not. You're gonna use a fork or a spatula or something and then gently scrape and then fluff them up just like this. Okay, at this point you will know if you burnt the bottom or not. Looks like I didn't. Good job, me. All right, now you put the lid back on and turn the stove off, and you're going to wait another 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes later, let's check it out. The reason why you're gonna wait for 15 minutes, this one, it gets fluffier and get cooked all the way. So look at that. See, and mix that. It's not burnt, see? It's good. Good to go. So I'm gonna serve. Oops. I waited long enough. It takes 20 minutes, the first round, and the second round is 15. Now that you're so impatient, you can technically cook after like 5 minutes of the second round. So at about 25 minutes, you can eat it. And I tell you what, this right here, if you have rice cooker, all you gotta do is press that button and then forget about it. That's even easier. But you know, not everybody has rice cooker, and it's all right. You can cook it on the stovetop, just like I show you. Now, you know how to make plain rice. And if nobody ever told you how to make rice, this is the way, okay? If you don't know, now you know. All right, so stay tuned for the next round, and I'm going to show you to turn this plain rice into the awesome flavor seasoned Spanish rice. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna eat this thing. Oh, don't forget, subscribe and then like it. No troll comments. All right, I ain't got time for that. All right, peace.